There is no rivals, only disciples. Keeping it humble.